I never thought drip irrigation would be this affordable and this simple. I don't have a massive backyard, but it is spread out. We live in a dry climate and the growing season is short, so having this drip irrigation is a game changer for me. I want to thank GOTGELIF for sending us this product before the dry summer season because this will save us so much time. At 100 feet, I wanted to make sure nothing was missed. I was able to reach my grow bag tomatoes, my flower wall, and my shaded ground allium bed. Here's a close-up look at the quality of the equipment. The hose cutter is sharp and effective with a nice lockout feature. The hose itself is lightweight and sturdy and keeps its shape, but like any hose, try to avoid making a kink. The spray nozzles have a good articulation. You can make an S-curve if needed, and the brass nozzles feel like quality. The adjustment feels like a quality watch dial. You can go from spraying mist to shooting nozzles, and the 30 T-shaped connectors are lightweight, leak-proof with easy snap-on and snap-off functions. The zip ties make quick work of temporary placement and help me master plan the length. The U-shaped nails are easy to hammer into all the wood pieces in my yard and hold the hose tightly. The only thing I needed to add for this install was a hammer. It took all of 1.5 hours with zero experience installing an irrigation system like this. I didn't even need the entire length to fill my backyard, and I have enough to adjust and add another system if I need to for the front yard. These are all the pieces that I had left over even after finishing my setup. It's the perfect kit to get for your garden and take it to the next level. At such a great price, it's a no-brainer. All I want to do now is get a smart timer so we can handle it all when we're not home during the busy summer season. I hope these points were helpful to you. If you enjoy these type of reviews, consider following. Thank you.